Tool wear is a common issue in the manufacturing industry, where the constant use of cutting tools can lead to their gradual deterioration and eventual failure. This can result in poor quality products, increased downtime, and higher costs for the manufacturer. To address this problem, many manufacturing companies offer tool wear services, which involve monitoring the condition of cutting tools and replacing them when necessary to ensure optimal performance. Tool wear services typically involve the use of specialized equipment and software to track the wear and tear of cutting tools over time. This data is then analyzed to determine when a tool needs to be replaced or sharpened, based on factors such as the type of material being cut, the speed of the cutting process, and the amount of wear on the tool. By proactively replacing tools before they fail, manufacturers can avoid costly downtime and ensure that their products meet the highest quality standards. Berkness Company is a leading provider of manufacturing services, including tool wear monitoring and replacement. With over 50 years of experience in the industry, Berkness has the expertise and technology to help manufacturers optimize their cutting processes and reduce costs. By partnering with Berkness, manufacturers can benefit from a comprehensive tool wear program that includes regular monitoring, analysis, and replacement of cutting tools as needed. To learn more about Berkness Company's tool wear services, manufacturers can visit the Contact Us page on the company's website. Here, they can fill out a form to request more information or schedule a consultation with one of Berkness's experts. With a focus on customer satisfaction and quality, Berkness is committed to helping manufacturers achieve their goals and stay competitive in today's fast-paced manufacturing environment. FAQs. 1. What causes tool wear in manufacturing? Tool wear in manufacturing can be caused by a variety of factors, including the type of material being machined, the cutting speed and feed rate, the tool geometry, and the coolant or lubricant being used. Other factors that can contribute to tool wear include improper tool selection, inadequate tool maintenance, and excessive heat or vibration during the machining process. 2. How can tool wear be minimized in manufacturing? There are several strategies that can be used to minimize tool wear in manufacturing. These include selecting the appropriate tool for the job, using the correct cutting parameters, such as speed, feed rate, and depth of cut, using high-quality coolant or lubricant, and maintaining the tool properly, such as sharpening or replacing it when necessary. Additionally, using advanced machining techniques such as high-speed machining or cryogenic cooling can help to reduce tool wear and extend tool life. 3. What are the consequences of excessive tool wear in manufacturing? Excessive tool wear in manufacturing can lead to a variety of negative consequences, including reduced machining accuracy, increased scrap rates, longer cycle times, and higher tool replacement costs. In some cases, excessive tool wear can even lead to machine downtime or damage to the workpiece. To avoid these issues, it is important to monitor tool wear regularly and take appropriate action when necessary to maintain optimal machining performance. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.